Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile or your account on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the My Account section at the top. Scroll down and tap on this Edit Account button. Once it is loaded in, which might take a few seconds, you can update your profile by changing your name. Then you can also select which one of these describes you the most: academic, healthcare provider, student, alternative, practitioner, or enthusiast. And you can also update your email preferences and tap on this button down below to save all the changes. If you want to, you can also add the profile picture at the top, and if you want to, you can add your specialty areas. If you tap on it, here you can see that physiotherapy has been added, but you can also type in anything you want to. And basically that's it. If you are done, click on the Save Changes button and everything will be saved and updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.